Analytics are an extremely important part of a campaign. These analytics also tells a journey if your campaigns are profitable or not. If you are an e-commerce business and doing Facebook ads, you will need to track these metrics. Go to your ad manager and then come to the column section over here and then click this customize column. Over here, you're gonna put a name here. You can put whatever, but I have put over here purchase-KPI. And on the right, all this will be unchecked. So get rid of them. And then on the search box, write start. So, and then you check the start. What's gonna happen is this is gonna come on the right hand side. Click delivery, then put budget. If you don't find something on the screen, you can just type it. Put result. After that, you're gonna put everything over here. So I will read what I have put. So altogether, I have put start, delivery, budget, result, cost per result, purchase conversion value. This is the revenue. ROAS, reach, frequency, impressions, cost per 1,000 impression, unique outbound clicks, cost per unique outbound clicks, unique outbound CTR, landing page views, cost per landing page views, add to carts, cost per add to cart, initiate checkout, cost per initiate checkout, and then purchase, cost per purchase. At last, you are going to put attribution because you need to put that. And after that, uncheck everything on the right. After that, you will be left with this. So you've already named it. Then click apply. This is going to be the column that you have just made. So you can refresh your screen. Then the column will go away. And then how you're going to get that is visit your custom columns. Click here. Purchase-KPI or whatever you have named your is going to be there. So this is how it looks like. Campaign, start, delivery, budget, result, cost per result, purchase conversion value. Okay, we need to put one more. That is amount spent. So let's put amount spent. Let's go down. Let's bring it on top. On top. So this will be before results. You can put wherever you want, but I usually put before results. And then apply, replace, and there you have your amount spent column is also here. So this is how it's going to look like. You will see your customer's journey. After they click on the ad, they go to the landing page. If they are adding to cart, if they're going to the checkout page, if they're purchasing. So this is how it's going to look like. Write in the comments, did you find this video useful? Subscribe to see more content on Meta and Instagram ad campaigns.